Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is how to connect to your home network. Click the Cisco AnyConnect button. Choose your home network. In my case, I'll choose mine. You'll see you're connected. Alright, the next thing you're going to do is look for the Global Protect icon. It's the little gray globe. Go ahead and click on that, and then click Connect. Next, I'm going to get prompted to sign in with my NUID and Windows password. I'll click Sign On, and I'll receive a Ping ID request on my KPI phone. I'll go ahead and accept the Ping ID request. You'll see here I'm authenticated, and now I'm on the Kaiser network. Thank you.